Robert Gibson Jr., owner of Total Auto Body, been in business since 1981. We've been customers of Wakeman equipment 15 years. I've purchased all my frame equipment from him, a number of welders from him, both of our spray booths, our gas cat system. His guys are always courteous and professional when they're here. They take good care of us, so I appreciate that.
Hi, I'm Rob Martin. I am the Director of Business Development for Garment USA. I've known Don Wakeman with Wakeman Equipment for quite some time now, but just recently have had an opportunity to be working side by side with him on some projects. And the takeaway from my experience with Don is immediately his commitment to customer satisfaction. He obviously sells a vastly superior equipment through his company, but his commitment to 100% satisfaction by his customers is apparent in everything that he does.